Alright, Mike here with Reprint, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get into service menu on a MIMAKI CJV. This will work with the 150 and the 300. What you have to do is hold these two buttons right here, the function 1 and function 3, while hitting the power button. I'm also going to show you how to change the ink type. I'll show you how to do that if you're looking to go from ES3 to SS21. Alright, we'll just continue holding those, then it'll initialize like normal. It's telling me the ink's expired. I had changed the date backwards quite a bit for this ink to work. I did that in the service menu as well. It expired in 2022 and this is 23, so I just took the date back to I think 2018. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to function and then I'm going to hit the up button. That'll get me to the perimeter menu. We can do our adjustments, perimeters, all that good stuff. So I'm going to go to perimeter, hit enter, then I'm going to go down to ink perimeter, and for this I just hit the enter button, just hit enter, and I can change this to 00. I'm going to keep it how it is. I don't need to do that on this machine, but if I put it on 00, then that'll do an ink fill and it'll ask me what ink type and all that good stuff. Let's see what else I can show you here in the service menu that's important. All your adjustments, if you're looking to adjust the cap top, you go here and then you can scroll down to capping, and then you can do your cap adjustments right here. Perimeter we have in here, actually test, we can go into test. I'm going to push enter. Sensors, check memory, keyboard test, LCD test, cartridge valves right here. If you want to syringe ink through your print heads, you want to open the valves, so you can do that right here. Just press the enter button and you can manually go in here and turn on which valves you want. So if you're having a problem with yellow and you want to do some syringing on the heads and focus just on yellow, these are in the orientation of the cartridges. So we've got magenta, so that's going to, I click down and that'll open magenta. Now this is going to open cyan, and then this is going to open our yellow, and this is going to open our black, and it's just hitting the keys to open and close. You can hear it in the background opening the valve, so I'm going to go ahead and close them back. Forgot one. Oh, there we go. Alright, so we can do that. We can test our cartridge sensors, the maintenance cartridges. We can check the encoder, all that in the test feature. There we go. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this video helps. So this is something I played hell with, trying to switch the ink type from ESL to SS21. It's actually pretty easy. Thanks for watching.